Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a Gelike kit from Amazon, and it says that it's organic, odorless, free from 9 different chemicals, cruelty-free and paraben-free. Included in this package are the soft gel tips, medium, coffin and almond, 120 pieces each and 12 sizes each, nail glue gel and the mini UV lamp. Okay, let's go and open this box. I left the box sealed to open it together with you guys, so in that way you can see exactly what would you receive if you decide to purchase this kit. These are the instructions on how to apply the nail tips. There are 6 steps, and on the back there is measurement notes. This is gonna become handy once you measure your nail tips. You can write down the number of the tip. And next I have the 6-in-1 gel nail glue. According to the description, this gel can be used in 6 different ways. And if you ever run out of this gel glue, you can always purchase this separately on Amazon. I checked and there is the option. I purchased this kit on Amazon.ca and the current price is $23.99. This is how the bottle looks. It's an 8 ml bottle, and I'm going to smell it because they claim that it's odorless, and I'm very sensitive to strong smells. That's why I haven't got into acrylic yet because of the monomer. Okay, the smell is not bad, it's almost completely odorless. So let's go ahead and continue unboxing. Let's see the tips. The tips are medium coffin and almond shape. I like the way they come attached on a strip. This is gonna be very handy when it's time to find the sizes you need. These are soak-off nail tips, meaning that you can remove them with acetone. The way I do it is wrapping the nail with aluminum foil and a cotton ball saturated with acetone. One tip that helps is filing off the top coat a little bit to help the acetone penetrate better, and I leave it there between 20 to 30 minutes. They look really nice actually. I like this length as well, it's very comfortable. They feel soft. And last we have the mini UV lamp. It comes with a USB cord included. It doesn't have the block that you connect to the electricity, so you have to get that separately. And this lamp is a 16-watt lamp. This is everything that comes in the box. So let's go ahead and start the application. I already have my nail tips selected. I wrote down the sizes for future reference. I'm gonna use a peel-off base gel just because I can keep these nails long because I have to make more videos for you guys. If you want these nails to last you longer, you can always add a primer and dehydrator. I have this brand here, Gelike. But if you don't have access to these products, you can always use acetone to dehydrate completely your natural nail from all the oils. And for nail prep, I just push my cuticles back. I don't have a lot of cuticle. I usually have more like rough skin around the corners of the nail. In that case, I just buffer or file it off a little bit to make it smoother, and that's all the prep I do. I went ahead with a dehydrator and I will let it dry for 30 seconds. Then I apply my peel-off base gel. I cure it for 30 seconds. According to the instructions, you will need to apply 1 layer on your nail and then 1 layer inside the nail tip. Then apply your nail tip and cure it for 1 minute. But I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to apply a layer of the gel glue on all my nails, cure them for 30 seconds, and then I will go ahead with the application. Now I'm going to put some gel inside the nail tip. I'm gonna bring it down at the 45-degree angle against my natural cuticle, and then I will cure it for 1 minute. The amount of gel that I'm gonna be using is gonna be a guess. I will try not to have air bubbles and not too much spillage. So it's always a good idea if you are new with this system to practice a little bit, and if you have too much gel, just don't cure it like that because it's gonna be harder to remove later. Just wipe it off and start over again. And here is the nail, it's looking good, not too bad. I forgot to bring the mini UV lamp into the frame for the first nail. I'm sorry about that, guys. But now I have it here, and so you can see the rest of the nails application. I'm done with the nails and they look nice and straight, that's good. Now I'm just gonna go around the nails, and if there is any gel that is spilled, I'm going to file it off with this file. I like to use this angle file because it makes it easier to go around the cuticle without cutting yourself. And here I am, guys, trying to be professional, and all you can hear is my dog barking on the background. I have a Chihuahua, her name is Chica, and she has interrupted me so many times. And this is how the nails are looking at this point. Right now, if you want, you can just leave them like that, apply top coat, and you're done for the day. But because I'm doing a YouTube video, of course we expect more. So I'm gonna create a design.
the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer
This is the reveal. These nails came out so cute today. I really like the results. I hope you enjoyed this video and somehow my review was helpful if you are thinking to buy a kit like this to do your nails at home. And if you like this video, please leave a comment and a like, and I'll see you on the next video.